Hello there friends and viewers, I hope you all are doing well. My name is Abdul Samad Narouk. I am originally from Afghanistan and this is my YouTube channel Inside Narouk. And this will be one of my first long vlog about a beautiful park which is located in the East Midlands region of UK. And this park has got so many flowers as well as water fountains, as you might say in the next part of the video. So as I explore this park, let's see if what it has got, and you will see all one by one with me. Thank you for joining me. I don't want to waste your time, and let us turn the phone to the other side of the park and see if what it has got. For example, these are the beautiful flowers with some pink colors and as well as white colors. It is made as a circle, as a roundabout, and as you can see, and these flowers are pink, and as well as there are some white colors as well. And behind these flowers you can see very tall black color trees, and they are all around these flowers. And as well as this is another part of the flowers, and these flowers are red and yellow, as you can see. There are two chairs placed over there, as this is quite a huge park, and there you might see girls are playing football, and they are enjoying their time. And these flowers are yellow colored. As you can see, they are the same made as the other pink ones. And it has got trees around as well. And as you can see, these trees are around these flowers, and a big stone is placed in the middle of the flowers, and this is the name of the stone, I think, in a commemoration of the victims of genocide in every time and every place. So yeah, and this is also flowers, as you can see, lovely flowers. This is a bucket of flowers, as you can see. And this place is a special place in the middle of this park. It has got some chairs where people can sit on, and there are flowers placed around this place. This is another pocket, and these are the trees. These are also very lovely flowers, as you can see. These are red flowers, and you can see there are some pigeons, some gray colored pigeons, chilling out, and as well as those flowers. And there is also a tower just standing in the middle of this park. This is quite an ancient, a historical tower. This park is nice, a very nice park, so people want to come and sit on the chairs, and the weather is nice. It's not too warm, It is neither warm, not hot, not humidity, and not raining, as you can see. This is the area this park has got, as you can see. This park has got many trees, stones, gravels, and some birds over there, as you can see. Quite a lovely place to come and just relax and just take a deep breath and enjoy, the beauty of this park. Can you see? The bird is over there. There are some parrots. There are some pigeons, I think, but mostly of them are parrots. Queen Park. And here it goes. Unfortunately, I am sick. I cannot really speak, but I still would like to have a commentary on my vlog so that you can understand where I am actually vlogging. But you might see the voice of here are the parrots, the lovely parrots. There are so many parrots. And this is another cage for those flowers. This cage has got different birds as well. Some of them are parrots, some of them are small birds. I don't actually know, but they are still flowers. Birds. This is quite a big park, as you can see. There are so many trees standing, and these trees has given a particular beauty to this park. I love seeing trees taller like these. Always, trees is my favorite creature. So I think I'm going to conclude it. I'm going to finish it. I think it was enough for today. If you liked the video, please leave a thumbs up. Please appreciate and admire me in your comments, so that I can be inspired and motivated in the future, to shoot some beautiful videos for you, I think. So here we go. Here I go. The name of the park is Queen's Park. The name of this park is Queen's Park. It is located in Loughborough, a small city in the UK, in the Leicestershire region. So this is what this park had to offer, and I am going out because it is getting late for me. I think it is enough for now. And this is a kind of wooden chair, farmer chair of Loughborough in Bloom, Caranhood, Borough Council.